Looking for the perfect gift for your partner or loved ones? The Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit is an unforgettable way to capture the special bond between you and your significant other. Create a timeless keepsake with this fun and unique gift, perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or any occasion that celebrates love. This couple-size kit allows you to preserve every precious detail of your hands, fingerprints, fine lines, and every little feature. Using Luna Bean's premium Step 1 alginate molding material, it's specifically designed to give you more working time and capture every detail better than other kits. It's super fun and easy to use. The kit includes a larger bucket, extra molding and casting materials, plus a full instructional video to guide you through the process. It can cast up to 2 adult hands, or even include a child for a family keepsake. When you're done, you'll have a beautiful detailed cast to cherish for years to come. It's the perfect gift for couples, anniversaries, or even as a unique wedding gift. So why not make this Valentine's Day extra special with the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, a gift that lasts a lifetime? Check out the link in the description to get yours today.